Well, POPCRU has lambasted government for the manner in which it has been treating public servants. Earlier, members of the union also marching to the union buildings. Let's take you live to Lesiba Thobakgale, who is with the South African Police Union. Lesiba, good evening to you. Thanks for your time. So you've been speaking about the issue of needing, number one, better working conditions for your members, but also salaries. Today's march to the union buildings, what do you think you accomplished?
Ourselves, we did not march to the building as SAPU. We went to attend a conciliation at the PSCBC. That is where clearly we had the issue of the conciliation that was going on. And except that, we also had picketing that was occurring outside the PSCBC whilst conciliation was on. So that is based on the demand that we have placed on the table to say that we demand clear 8% salary increment on the baseline as SAPU and all SAP2 affiliated unions within the PSCBC. We know that for the past 2 years, there was no real salary increase that workers have received. And that on its own, it clearly had a negative impact on them. So as SAP2 unions and SAPU being the main admitted trade union within the PSCBC, we have joined hands because we understand that without unity, we will not win this battle against government. And we have seen what government has came up with. Their attitude towards the conciliation today clearly has shown us that they are not even prepared to listen to the cries or to listen to the suffering that we are putting on the table that workers are clearly suffering from. So we continued with that process, and we are glad to say that we've got a certificate that has been issued by the independent commissioner. And we wouldn't have loved to find ourselves having to go up to that level if we had a government that clearly cares about the workers. Because if government cared about our workers, they would clearly give them a salary increment. Looking back into the public office bearers who received a 3% salary increment backdated to April 2021. And when you look at their salary notches, they are earning above $1 million. But whereas our members here, they are offering them a salary increment of 3%, whereas you find that majority of them are earning less than 100,000 per annum. If you compare to the public office bearers, indeed, they are receiving quite a lot in terms, they've received quite a lot, and even inclusive of the back pay backdated to April 2021. But when it comes to public servants who are there to render services, our police officers, whom even during the period of COVID, they continue to ensure that they are out there enforcing all of the regulations that were there. Our members at the GCS, our members at traffic, and so on. The nurses out there who keep on to ensure that those who go to hospitals, they ensure to get services there. They do not care about them, and we cannot even allow something like that.
So Lesiba, given the fact that a strike seems to be very much on the cards, when exactly are you planning on having it?
For now, we are busy with the processes because we couldn't have started with the processes of picketing rules or the processes of even balloting in terms of the Labour Relations Act. So from where we are, currently where we are busy. We are going to embark on those processes because we only received the certificate today. And as an organization, SAPU and SAP2 affiliated trade unions would be able to pronounce ourselves to say when will we be ready to really give a notice to say that now on such and such a day we will embark on a strike. But we will embark on preparations.
SAPU's Lesiba Thobakgale, let me thank you for your time tonight.